And I need Kenneth Baker up here to the green pop-up. Kenneth Baker, come up to the green pop-up.
The Po' Boys Car Club, based out of Canton, Georgia, is a car club whose cruise-in occurs every third Saturday from March to October. The club was started by a couple of car lovers in 1979 and eventually grew into what it has become today. Cars both new and old, stock and modified, import and domestic are welcome at the show, although a majority of entrants into the show are classic American cars like this Plymouth Barracuda. Some other cars that stood out to me were this supercharged Gen 1 Ford Lightning, a 1971 Datsun 240Z, and this Lamborghini Gallardo being the sole exotic there. But I think my best in show has to go to this awesome twin-turbo Chevelle. The cruise-in occurs in the Riverstone Shopping Center and lasts from 2 p.m. until dark. The club collects a $5 donation for entrance, and all that money that is not used to cover expenses goes to local charities, for which the club has raised over $110,000 since 2001. For more information on Po' Boys Car Club, you can visit poboyscarclub.com.